Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to mute yourself in Zoom meetings. So right now I'm in a meeting with myself. There's no one besides me, but the process is the same. All I have to do is you see a microphone icon at the bottom left side of the screen. Right now I'm not muted and it takes all the voice that I do. I simply click on mute my audio button. And now also the icon says that I'm muted. Now it doesn't take my voice. I can unmute myself again and it will start recording my voice again. If I click the arrow button here and click at the audio settings, there is a setting that I personally prefer to click. Mute my microphone when joining. Yes. If that option is selected, when I join a new meeting, it automatically joins as my microphone muted, just like that. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video.